Yo, what's going on, man? Welcome back to another episode. And I just got done with that 24-hour road trip, man. I'm tired, but you know, my shelf for my Lego and my line heads, they came in. So I gotta go pick up my Lego shelf or line shelf, or I gotta go pick up my shelf from the container store. I'm tired though, man. I don't know if I'm gonna build it today, but you know what? I'm gonna bring you guys along, man. You know, we're gonna go through this journey together. Alright, but first, I need to get some food, man. So just hold on, man. I don't even know what I'm gonna eat, but I know I need some food. But you know, come and follow me, man. Appreciate it, man. Hang out with me. I need some noodles, man. I need some soup. My throat hurts, man, from screaming at Six Flags so much. Give me some pho. This place is awesome. I'm not gonna do a full review. I'm just gonna eat my food and I'm gonna head out and get my shelf, man. I'm so tired. Forgot to get my mask. Make sure you mask up, man. Alright, now I can go in the restaurant and get some food. Let's go. It's 2:40, so the restaurant's a little bit empty, which is good. Start off with some spring rolls. Yummy. I got that Pho Duy bit. A little bit of everything inside. Oh, actually, when I eat my pho, I actually just dip my meat into the hoisin sauce and sriracha sauce and eat it like that. I don't put the hoisin sauce in my soup or the sriracha in my soup, but the place is good. You don't need that stuff. The broth should be good and flavorful enough that you don't need to add extra sauce in there, unless you like it more salty. Then you add, you know, like fish sauce. But you shouldn't have to add hoisin sauce and sriracha sauce if the place is good. That's my opinion. Why is there traffic? It's 3:30 on a Friday. What the hell? Come on, guys. Finally made it to the container store, man. I don't know if I'm gonna film the pickup process, man. I just want to get my stuff and get out of here, man. I'm so tired, man. But yeah, I'm here, man. I'm excited. Let's go. So I was supposed to park at the loading zone. They're gonna come and pick up my stuff. I mean, they're gonna come and deliver my stuff. Let's just see. Man, if y'all never been in this place is actually pretty cool, man. They got a bunch of neat gadgets for you to store stuff. So highly recommend you all to check this place out, man. See the shelf system? That's basically what I'm getting to put my line heads on. So yeah, it's pretty cool, man. Yep. Of course, I'm not gonna get this plates. It's still gonna be a wooden plate, but it's basically something similar to this. Man, here I am trying to give a good review to the container store, but I'm pissed, dude. I ain't gonna lie. I ordered this stuff back in January, and some of the parts are still not in yet, and they said it's still in back order. They have to reorder it. Like, bro, why didn't you reorder it earlier? Why you have to reorder it now when I come in? Why couldn't you reorder it earlier? Now my stuff ain't coming until April. This is stupid, man. Today's my off day. Supposed to build my shelf. This is annoying, man. I was looking forward to building a shelf for so long, man. Just get my line head off the ground, put it up neatly. So I don't know when this vlog going up. Today is like March 19. This vlog will be finished whenever I finish my shelf. I'm just gonna make this all compile into one video. I don't want to make two separate videos about this. Right now, first time shopping at a container store. Really having a bad experience, but the sales rep was cool. They said they're gonna get it to me and they're gonna ship it to me, so I don't have to come pick it up. Supposedly I do have all the hardware, I just don't have the physical shelf, which is dumb. I'm fucking frustrated right now, I'm not gonna lie. Not really happy, man. Not really happy. Just looking forward to it, but hopefully when I resume this vlog, the video will be a little bit better and I'll be in a better mood because I can actually start building it. But yeah, I'm just gonna go home right now, man. I'm pissed. Real pissed. Alright, man, there goes my shelf. Okay, man, delivered to me. Then I have to go to the container store and pick it up at the wall. It's gonna go on that wall. Gotta move that desk. Yep, let's get working. Alright, got my shelf done. Put my line and unicorn up there. Got a shelf for my Legos. Bam! Another shelf for my lines when I get more. By the time this video up, I probably already live streamed this. I will post a link to the live stream here. Man, Ooh, that's good. Pretty easy to build. Pretty easy. One last thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put some LED strips right here, and on top of the line, so it can shine down. My LED strip here, got a remote control. Change colors. Woo. And the light, and the dark, Pretty cool. So you know, it's a little bit sample. Kind of look nice in the dark little display. So I'm gonna release this video when I finish the LED. Hopefully I can get it done by this weekend. It's gonna be a lot of work, but I'm gonna get it done. Excited. Alright, yo, I'm gonna work on the LED today. Never really messed with these LEDs before. Hopefully it's easy to connect. Easy to cut and connect. So when you cut these LEDs, you want to cut it right here where the two gold plate meet. Don't cut anywhere else. You cut anywhere else, you're gonna mess it up. That's the only spot you can cut. Got my first strip. I'm gonna test it, make sure that it works. It's good. You can buy these LED special cables. They come in 4 wires together already. Use it to connect the strips. So I gotta measure how long I want the cables. Hopefully it's alright. You use this to connect the wires. I got it off of Amazon. Not too sure if you can see it. Not too sure how it works. I'll need to watch a video and see how to use this thing. Alright, I got it connected. Now I gotta connect the other strip to see if it works. I'm not gonna cut this out yet because I want to make sure that it works. Alright, let's connect it. Moment of truth. Connection worked, so that's good. Chain color together. Awesome. Alright, I'm gonna stop recording here, connect everything up and show you guys. Alright, connected all my LEDs. Got my first shelf right here, then it breaks off. Second shelf right here. And it breaks off. Third shelf, and then on the very top. Whew. Only thing left is putting it on onto here, so I gotta clear my shelf. Got my first setup. Gotta do a better job at hiding the wires. Oh, that's good for now though. Alright, I connected everything. Gotta figure out how to hide the wires. Gotta figure a way to keep it up. Might use some glue or something. See, that one ain't too bad though. That one ain't too bad. Go down here. That ain't too bad. If I would've measured better, made it perfect, it won't be that much slack. Got the top bar right there. Everything looks good. Alright, this is it flashing, man, with it on. They got different color mode you can do. Ooh, this is strobing. We don't want strobing down. I like this one, but it's too slow. Maybe too fast. You can make it solid color. Change all the solid colors. I have a remote control. It's not Bluetooth, it's just an infrared, so it has to be direct at it. Not the best, but it works. Yep, I'm satisfied. Looks good. double-sided tape under the LEDs. Yeah, baby, I'm happy. Woo, it's easier than I thought. Now let's put my lines back on there and see how it looks. Alright, man, I'm done. Everything's put up. Check it out. Turn it on. Ooh, baby, look at this. Yeah. And change color. Blue. I don't know what color I'm pushing. I don't remember the buttons on here. Random colors. Yeah. Make it fade. There it goes. Yeah, looks good. I'm happy. I probably won't have it fading. Probably just having a little. White is always nice, but I like this blue. So that's my inventory down there. When I get more lines, I gotta put it right here. This shelf right here, I'm putting all my Legos. About to build this. Live stream gonna happen before this video come out because I still gotta edit this video, but I'm gonna do my live stream in 2 days. Yep. Can't really see the lines on top, but it's okay. I was kind of hoping that the light in the back would shine through more, but that exactly didn't happen. But you know, still looks good. I'm happy. It was pretty easy to do overall. Cool. Alright, man, that's the end of my video container store experience plus building the line dance Lego shelf. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I'm not too sure how this vlogging went or how the filming went. It's my first time filming this kind of video. You know, I just want to try something new, you know, bring you guys along with me, you know, do the project with me. I had a great time. Even though I had issues with the container store, I still had a great experience overall. Don't get me wrong, the worker was nice. I just think some of the way they do stuff is not that efficient, you know, but it is what it is. I got my shelf, I built it, it was easy. Thanks to my dad, he helped me build it. Well, he helped me drill the hose. That's the hardest part, is just drilling the hose. Well, drilling the hose is easy, but I need somebody to help me hold the track, make sure that it's even and straight and level. So my dad helped me with that, and then he helped me mark the hose. Because while I was holding it, he helped me mark the hose to where to drill it, and then he helped me drill in everything. So he helped, it was good, but the rest I put together myself. I did the LEDs myself, quite easy, but you know, I still appreciate my dad for helping me out, man. Could have done it with one person, but with 2 people, it's always a lot easier, so that was good. Overall, I'm happy with the LEDs, turns out nice. Hopefully when I get more lines and I put it on the bottom shelf, it will look even cooler. Get my Legos built up, the light shine down on the Legos, hopefully it looks nice. I don't know, we see what's up, man. But if you watch the whole thing, I really appreciate the support. Much love, buddy. Man, what you think? Should I do more videos like this? Should I do more Legos videos? I don't know, we see what's up, see what happened with my live stream. I will post my link to the live stream, even though it was a live stream. By the time this video is up, it will probably just be a video on demand, and you can rewatch my live stream and see me struggle building the Lego lion dance. But other than that, I'm out, guys. Once again, make sure you hit the thumbs up, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, make sure you hit the bell notification. But if you did all that already, I love you, man. Thanks for watching. Peace. Oh, one more thing, I guess. If you want the link to the LEDs, which LEDs I use, and which connectors I use to help connect the LEDs, I'm gonna put the link in the description. Not an affiliate link. I don't make any money off of it, so just click it and buy it. Okay, if you want. I will say connecting the LEDs was easy. I didn't have to solder anything. You know, all I just had to do was crimp everything. Everything was crimped. No soldering involved. When you don't got to solder, it makes life a whole lot easier. I didn't even have to strip the wires. It was easy, you know. I'm sorry I didn't show you guys exactly how I did it. I kind of did and I kind of didn't, but this was my first time doing it, so I really didn't have that much experience, and I didn't want to, you know, make a video on how to do it when it's my first time doing it. But it was pretty easy, man, you know.